Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't.
Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Yolissa Hair once more. Same packaging as usual. Yo, as usual, the box is bursting out because it's so full. But I actually took a peek, so yeah. So the wig. And again, it's another delayed package because this is saying Merry Christmas. Got a Merry Christmas card. Really cute. I got a edge brush and comb. Like headscarf. A nice long elastic band. A pair of lashes. Wig cap. Information card. And lastly, a drawstring bag that's branded Yolissa. This is today's wig. This is a undetectable HD lace front wig. All right, it is a 13 by 4 24-inch medium cap size wig. I'll be sure to put the density and all that stuff in the description box, but this is how it looks on the inside. Has a total of 3 combs and adjustable straps. It is definitely pre-plucked, and I mean, I've gotten curly hair from them before. It does feel, you know, like of the same quality. It's not bad at all. Minimal shedding there. It's very nice and full, by the way. Very nice and full. It feel like, yeah, I usually really love their curly wigs because, you know, like sometimes I get wigs and it's like, it's curly but it's like too sparse. This is so nice and full. I really like this. So yeah, that's how that looks. Comes with like the little baby hairs, the pre-made baby hairs in the front. I don't usually like use those. And you could, even though it's pre-plucked, it's not like heavily pre-plucked, so if you must, you can go in further and give it like more graduation, you know, to get it to your liking, if that's what you want to do. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut away the excess on the ear portion.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So now that I'm basically done with installation, I did my 2 swoops. Oh my gosh, this hair is so nice and full. It's so nice and full. Look at that. It's 24 inches, but man, I know something about Yolissa, like them just kind of provide this quality that I love. Like for the couple weeks that I do save back, like 2 of them that are my go-tos are from Yolissa. you know. So like I remember last year I went on vacation and I believe the long curly hair that I wore to on one of my vacation was from Yolissa. It was so pretty. And this right now, oh my god, this is really nice and full. It's really nice and full. So I'm actually, should I do a side? Because I'm always doing the center. I probably should do the side. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the side, like a side part vibe, and brush it down really nice. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style.
So I did the side part. I'm just gonna get my spray bottle with conditioner and water and just run through it to further define the curls. You could wear it this way if you want, like big and poofy. I know a lot of people love this look. I do like this too, but you know, right now I just want to wet it up. So let's go.
I got a push on you, that's true. I'm digging you, you make me believe your love is more than a million. Your goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
These curls are so soft. They're really soft, like really soft, nice and luscious and juicy. Everything came together really beautifully. I am pleased with the quality, so shout out to Yolissa for delivering once more, and I'm truly pleased. It looks really good. It's full and nice. It feels like, you know, you're getting your money's worth. So I am happy with the look of that. It's really nice. So shout out to them. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig, so if you're interested in getting it, you can go ahead and do so. And I'm also going to put the specifications of the wig itself, as I mentioned before. So yeah, you can go ahead and check that out. Don't forget to go ahead and check my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. Okay, that's where I do put up all my, you know, regular like lifestyle content and, you know, all those stuff. So go ahead and check that out. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and checking out today's wig look, and stay tuned for my next one. So until then, just let me go put this on. Bye.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views.